They say life is full of beauty. Notice it. Life is an adventure. Live it up. Beauty and terror. Just keep going. No feeling is final. Find ecstasy in life. The mere sense of living is joy enough. Yesterday is but today's memory. Tomorrow is today's dream. Dream as if you live forever. Live as if you died today. Use what you have. Do what you can. Life goes on.
Ballerz, when you see me, oh you gotta face up. We're on things, we know they slow down. Stop darling, jamming and balling. Haters follow me like I'm Teflon because I smash them up like a candy gun. Like every other day we bought the game, we know they fail. We know they fail.
We live in la vida loca, like Pablo Escobar. Everywhere we go, we just spread the money scatter. Make them go gaga, I say make them go gaga. You know say the money no be small thing. If you still sitting down, you're on a long thing. This is how we do it, no be fronting. No be fronting, I say no be fronting. No be fronting, I say no be fronting.
We have the ball.
This is the second one. The second great sex. Is this a mistake too?
Yes, it is. And I am deeply sorry.
Again?
Yes, again. I promise you, it would never happen again.
This is the same thing you said the last time, remember?
What do you want me to say? The last time wasn't my fault either.
But if the last time wasn't your fault, how about this? See, I'm not trying to blame you for anything or for this. But these two mistakes seem to be the greatest thing that has happened to me in a while. And I'm starting to feel something for you.
You cannot feel anything for me. You and my friend are dating.
You seem to forget that she's broken up with me. And my interest has shifted to you.
That is an illusion. It's mere infatuation and we need to end it now.
How?
We need to stop seeing each other.
At this point, I don't think I can do that.
Piola. Yes, you can. And you will. For me.
You said you've been singing before.
Sure, boss. I've been singing.
Do you have any single or album you've dropped before?
I have a lot of singles on iTunes and Spotify, Audio Mark.
Okay, so if you drop any flow for me, make I hear.
Sure.
I want to be back. She didn't go one para. I want to be back. She didn't go one fender. But I want to be manja. She didn't go one bajura. Nigga mari wa Allah. Kuma so kuma sinja. Kala wa bata wa hala. Toba fefu mini wa hala. Madaja ko ri palava. To review me your border. Offered me to no gutter. One want me lawyer. She know what boy I want that to le parura. This is a serious matter. I want to buff your waja. That's what make you want matter. To remove the bottle of fire. They make it that matter. She pada royal be panda. Kilo was on me wire. Go to watch you be maga. You know say ya be the factor. I take o delu taraba. Titi that this ababa.
Abara if you do so. You feel like that's so boss.
Makes sense.
Thanks boss. Nice
one.
Thanks.
So you have other ones like this, yeah?
Yeah, sure. Plenty.
Makes sense.
Yeah, boss.
Well, but I love the flow though. Nice one. Nice flow.
Thanks boss.
Like that flow. It's very tight.
Thanks boss.
Well, can be better now. So I will take you to finance tomorrow. But before then, let me just give him a call so that you know that. Nice one.
Thanks boss.
Finest. Yes, I don't find one. No. It makes sense. And tomorrow, go meet tomorrow, yeah? Alright. Finest. Alright, so no Allah. Let's meet at the arcade. For there we go settle matter.
Thanks, Baba. Thanks.
Nice one.
I promise I no go disappoint you. I no go disappoint you. Baba, thanks.
Nice one.
Wilson. Hi. I heard something. I heard that Mrs. Akinlele took you out.
Wrong information.
I knew it. I knew it was a lie.
She didn't take me out. I did.
You took our boss out.
Why shouldn't I?
Are you not supposed to be looking for ways for her to leave you alone?
Oh. That was before. Not anymore. I'm actually fine. And I actually want her now.
Wilson, don't you think you're only complicating things? I mean, how would your wife feel?
Oh my God. Complicate things, you say? My wife. So she didn't tell you?
Tell me what?
We don't have issues about my wife anymore. There is nothing between us again, so no issues. All thanks to you.
Oh, thanks to you. Who's Grace doing? Hello, Grace. Grace, where are you? Can you not ask me any question? Where are you? Good. Meet me in my house. 4 p.m. 4 p.m. on dot. Grace, don't ask me questions. Just meet me in my house.
It's about an hour past. Are you sure this guy is still going to come?
Chillax, man. Chillax now. See, this is a done deal. Trust me. Like I told you. The only concern I have is that I don't know if he like you.
See, you don't even need to worry about that. See, even if he doesn't like my face, see, by the time he hears my voice, he would have no option. It's like a magic, you know.
Okay. We'll see. See. I need that. I need to drop that car now.
Oh,
tell you
that's
now.
the guy.
Should I tell you?
We are on the right track.
See, on the next level, we go meet him. Calm down. Finest.
Yo, Wizzy.
Finest.
So,
Tie your card bag on.
yes, now, like I told
Tell me,
you.
say now you get that kind of.
We are in the next level now, like I told you.
Oh God. I know my instincts are always right now. You're in the next level.
I tell you now. And, is this the guy you talk?
Yes, this is the guy. See, this guy, he's a mad singer. He can sing anything.
How come I never hear him matter for this campus with you? What's up?
They play me, guy. Drop something, me, Baba here.
No worry. I believe your judgment. Just get him to sign his copies of the contract and bring that to me later. Guy, what's be your name?
Yeah, I'm Kola Ole, but on the street, we call me K-Rolex.
I know Wahala. K-Rolex, K-Rolex, I beg and give us your best. You see, Kola Topo Wale, you know now.
No Wahala, Papa. You full grand like sand.
I need to hurry somewhere now, so I will see you now later.
Okay, and I will bring you your own copies of the contract.
Please do.
Also, I'll send you the outline for the next concert.
I beg again. That's very important because the date is actually getting closer than we think. Then I go wire on or something more and take a jolly.
Baba,
normal level.
Finest. True. You did next level. This guy is fresh. Down, everything. See the car. Calm down. I don't level thing. Next level thing. Calm down now.
Make I know.
So all this happened. And you couldn't even tell me. What kind of friend are you?
Sorry, Jerry. I thought I should deal with it myself.
Deal with it yourself. Grace, deal with it yourself. When did we start dealing with things ourselves? We're supposed to be friends. We're supposed to do this together.
I have made a mistake of not telling you. And I have apologized, so what now?
So what now? Idiot.
Esther!
I'm not even joking.
You can never change.
See, I need to get a drink first. Like,
oh, shoot.
I have to think about this. Let me get a drink.
Kenny.
Come here.
I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. My dad delayed me.
Oh, your dad? Is he still around?
No, he's not around. He sent me to deliver a message in town.
Oh, he should have called back and explained things to me.
I'm so sorry, the whole thing was also impromptu and then I just had to do it. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. Thank you.
So what's up with your plans for the concert?
You should trust me. I already signed 5 of the dopest artists.
Wow.
And with a whole lot of them still on the queue to be signed on. And then I've been trying to get some of the big artists to grace the event, but I don't know if it's their busy schedule or they're just playing hard to get.
Which of them?
Kistanio, Ricardo Banks, and Lighter.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That wouldn't be a problem. Because, I think those ones are just phone call away. Some of them are my friends. Like the likes of Lighter, Kistanio. They were at my birthday party last year. And
Tell me something.
She was savage. She was also at my dad's birthday party last year.
So you're trying to tell me you can actually get to Wasabi to grace the event as well?
Hey, it's like you really do not know who you're dealing with.
Oh,
My dad can actually get the own of Maven's artists to be at the event.
Okay, that is loud.
Put a call across Don Jazzy and everything is sorted. You really do not know how big my family is.
Okay, that is loud. I actually, now I believe I don't know the value of what I have. And babe, please, do me a favor and promise me you'll never leave me.
Maybe you should be the one to promise you will never break my heart, and then I really do not have anywhere to go.
I wouldn't do that for a thing.
You promise?
I promise.
how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, can we...
Sorry. I was about leaving before you came.
Oh.
Bye.
In the words of the famous Deltana, dreams are renewable. No matter what our age or condition, there are still untapped possibilities within us. A new beauty waiting to be born. So this is cheers to new beginning as brothers.
To new beginnings.
Hi. I'm sorry if I've been too harsh. It's just that I'm scared. I'm afraid things may get complicated.
Things are already complicated. All we have to do is focus and hold our ground. Look, I love you. And you can't deny that you feel something for me too. Instead of trying to fight this, why not embrace it and be at peace with yourself?
Okay. I'll think about it. But first, you need to help me. Ballerz is falling apart. And this is the time we need all our effort to deliver on our commitment. Please, you need to help me fix this. I don't want to lose the contract.
You know what? Let's begin this way. Let's find Victoria. Hey, come on, let's find Victoria.
Okay.
What's up with this new attitude?
What is wrong with it?
It's fine. It's just surprising.
The only constant thing in life is change, isn't it?
Yes, I know. But don't you think it would be sweeter if you're doing all these things with your wife? See.
Listen. She likes me. I like her. For me, that is all that matters.
You know I respect you so much. And that is why I want to say this.
What is?
I know we have desires and all that, but we should not allow our desires take away the special people in our lives. You're young, you're hardworking, and trust me, the last thing you want to be is lonely. I know Grace loves you, and I know she holds a space in your heart. So please don't shut her out of that space. Don't. Because nobody, absolutely nobody, not even Mrs. Akindele, will be able to fill that void. So please, please, I think you should just go back to your wife and live that happy life. Please, Wilson.
See, I want you to understand that most of the responsibilities falls on the both of you. And without synergy, I don't know how things want to turn out. So, Vic, let's bury the hatchet and move on. Please. Grace, have you got anything to say?
I'm sorry for everything.
I'm sorry too. But there is no need for all of this. Because it's too late.
What do you mean?
See, I tried. I tried for it not to happen, but she pushed me.
Pushed you? What are you talking about?
You pushed me out of Ballerz. And now, it's too late to come back.
But why? How? What do you mean?
I've signed into another group.
What? You can't be serious. Signed into another group. Within how many days? It's barely even a week.
Yes, it's barely a week. But you cost everything because you pushed me aside.
What are you saying? Was I not just protecting our common interest?
Now you can talk to me about common interest. Did you forget it's our common interest before you casted me aside and then intended to replace me? Do you think I'm a fool? You signed all the contracts that we were supposed to do. You made all the decisions that we were supposed to make. So what else?
All these are temporary. It's just for it to work out, for everything to work out.
Temporarily, to make things work, you say. But we're not supposed to make things work together in unity. Save it. It's so easy for you to say, but I'm so sorry it's not easy for me. I'm out of this place.
Wait. Don't worry. I'll talk to her. Everything will be fine, don't worry. Come on, let's go pick up your stuff.
You're about the only person on campus who does not believe that this thing going on between Sheyi and Rosie is the real thing. It's no longer casual. But I don't know when you will wake up to the reality of things, when you realize that this thing is not child's play. When?
Miriam, I have told you so many times. Please, can we just let this matter rest? Am I not the one involved? He's my boyfriend, not yours.
I'm only looking out for you, babes. Eh? But wait, is that what you say?
Please, what do you want me to say? Please,
Okay.
let's talk about something.
Let me ask you, we are not done. Let me ask you one question. If this guy breaks your heart today, who will be consoling you?
Don't worry. Let him break my heart first. And I'll know what to do.
Really?
What's popping, ladies? How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Well, Miriam was saying that
That you just got a new car. Yes. That you just got a new car. Yeah, and please give her the news. And I will leave both of you to it. See you guys. Bye.
Why didn't you tell me she was getting you a car?
Because I didn't know either. She made us a surprise. What?
You and this girl. See, babe, lots of people are talking.
See, look at me. Huh? People would always talk. Whether good or bad, they would always say something. And I think their aim is to tear us apart. And to be honest, we shouldn't give them the chance to do so. Or do you want them to succeed in doing that?
No.
Exactly. You just have to focus more on us. Just you and I. We are the only ones that matter here.
Okay. I believe you.
You should, actually. That's what, baby. Now let me take you out of my new car. And I promise you're going to love it.
Where did you park it?
Somewhere over there.
Baggage offer.
No, even without the camera, it's very. Oh. Yeah. Because whilst we were walking at home, this day.
Good.
Anyway, I know I am an idiot. I mean, because I've been losing many things because of my mistakes. And I am tired of losing precious things. I'm tired of losing precious people that I love and the ones that love me.
So, what now?
What now? I thought I was the only idiot. Do you want me to tell you everything?
Okay. Are we official now?
Well, yes, we are. I have decided to follow your advice. I want to be real and refocus and just hold my ground. And I don't care if it gets complicated. I don't care.
I'm glad you're now embracing reality. And trust me, you'll be at peace with yourself. Come on.
I want
You don't know our conversations.
Hello, beautiful.
Hi, Anne.
Oh, actually, I was talking to your friend.
Oh, Sharon.
I want to just give him a chance to say whatever he wants to say.
And why should I do that? What's wrong with you now? Will he swallow you? Come on. Come on in.
Hey, hello, damsel.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Fine.
You know, pardon my manners. I should actually have come to talk to you. But...
Okay, just say whatever you want to say.
Okay, I was just hoping, like, I could take a walk with you guys.
A walk?
Come on, a walk with a pretty girl like you won't hurt.
And why would you want to do that?
What's wrong with this guy wanting to take a walk with us? Beg, let's go, Jai. Let's go.
Whatever.
Hey, so, what's your name? Kept wondering what could be the name of this rare beauty. Your name must be as beautiful as you are.
Thank you.
So would you tell me your name?
My name is Sharon.
Ha! Just as I thought. What a beautiful name. So you want to leave already?
No. So can I go now?
Come on, Sharon. Take it easy. Why are you like this? Don't you know me?
No, I don't.
No wonder. Well, my name is Shay, and the whole of this campus knows me as Finest.
So, Finest, what do you want from me?
Well, the pretty girl's number for a start. What do you think?
Okay. 070 324 921.
324 921 32.
Yeah.
Cool. That works.
Okay.
Pretty lady. That's the way it's going to be saved.
fine. Where have you been for the past few days? I've not been seeing you around.
Well, let's just say that I've been busy with more important things.
Really?
Yeah.
Just me now. What's going on?
No. But really, before now, so you were not going to tell me about your boyfriend's unveiling? Or are we no longer in the same league?
Unveiling? What unveiling?
Come on. Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about Sheyi's records label unveiling.
But how am I supposed to forget what I don't know about?
Wow. So you mean you don't know that Sheyi is unveiling his new record label this evening?
This evening?
Yes, this evening. I know what I'm saying.
Oh, maybe that's what he's been trying to tell me. You know, he has actually called me like 3 times and I've promised to see him, but I've also been very busy, so I've not been able to. So maybe that's what he's trying to tell me.
Definitely, I'm very sure that's what happened, because I've been wondering, like, how can you not be present at your boyfriend's event?
Hey, why won't I be present at my boyfriend's event? Am I not supposed to be the queen of the night?
That's what I'm talking about.
You know what? Let me call him.
Okay.
Let me call him to confirm. His line is not reachable though.
Oh wow.
Yeah. You know what? Let me just go and get ready for the event.
Fine.
I can't be late to that event. Really. Oh, actually, you know.
Here you are.
Hi.
I've been trying to call you.
Oh, how are you? I'm fine.
What are you doing here all alone?
I've been trying to talk to Sheyi and he's not picking my calls.
Oh, wow.
Maybe he's angry or something.
So, talking about Sheyi, why were you not at the party yesterday?
Oh, the party.
I really hope you have a very good excuse.
But okay, my dad called me when I was preparing that I should come home. There was an emergency, so I just had to rush home.
I was really hoping to see you.
Sorry, that's why I've been trying to reach Sheyi to apologize for not coming. And I didn't pick.
Okay, so what I brought is not a good stuff. But I really need to talk to you about it.
What's it?
Look at this.
Well, what is it this time around?
They were all over themselves yesterday at the party. It was obviously and seriously clear that there was something between the two of them. I thought she was just being jealous or something, but now I know the reason behind all her actions. I've always talked to you about this, Sheyi, but you never listen. No, you can't do that, okay? You can't do that. Calm down. Calm down. You'll be fine. Trust me, you will be fine.
Victoria, there's something you need to know. Look, I'm not trying to create more conflict between you and Grace, but you need to know the truth before it is too late. It's about your boyfriend, Biola.
Okay, in case you don't know, Biola is no longer my boyfriend.
Stop this stupid act. You're lying to yourself and you know it. You and Biola have come a long way. You're perfect together. You can't end such a wonderful relationship based on a stupid agreement you both had.
So, what about him?
Look, you need to know the truth. Grace and Biola have become sexual partners.
What? In case nobody has ever told you this before, I'm telling you now. You are a terrible liar.
Yeah, a liar, huh? Okay. Yeah, so if my mouth tells lies, does this picture tell lies too? Lies too. Hey, don't. Look, you don't need, they don't need this. No. Look, they don't. How can she do this? They don't need this. They don't need this. Hey, do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help you? Can you help me?
You said I should forget about him.
Exactly.
Okay, I will. But forgive, I will never. I'll make sure he pays back in full measure. That will teach him a lesson he will never forget in his entire life.
Hello everyone, my name is Tobi Igbenoba.
Adedimeji.
Aramide Oloko.
Igor Ortega.
Zolainka George.
Ismanuel Kolawole.
Amofolajomi Okinbaloye.
Awoyomi Akorede.
Tijesunimi Olakojo.
Oluwafemi Samuel Ademilola.
Adetoye Adeyinka.
I played the role of Sheyi.
And I played the role of Grace.
I played the role of Biola.
I played the role of Kafi.
Careless.
I played the role of Victoria.
I played the role of Ibile.
I played the role of Cynthia.
Professor Ajala.
I played the role of Rita.
I played the role of Wizzy.
In order to keep the series running and to enrich its production design and aesthetics,
We need you, our esteemed audience, to support us.
You can donate as little as $2.
And above, if you wish, to support us and to help us continue to produce this project.
to donate, simply go to indiegogo.com.
Search Ballerz the series. Enter any amount you wish to donate from $2 and above, as I stated.
Enter your credit card details
and click donate.
With this, you have successfully supported the next production of our series Ballerz.
Once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
And follow us on Instagram at Ballerz the series.
Thank you for supporting us.